What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. So I'm here, guys, for another weekly recap. We're going to look at all the trades for the week. We're going to talk about day trading and swing trading. I'm going to talk about my new profit targets. Stick around to the end. I'm going to tell you how to get involved for the lifetime Fibonacci giveaway. And there's some major announcements, all right? So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. Okay, so let's start off with the day trading. And we had a really good week here. 6 times our money on the day trading. And I'm just going to start right off the bat with Monday and just try to explain everything step by step. Okay. So let's go ahead here, guys. Let's hit the replay on Monday. Okay. So on Monday, my friends, we were able to walk away with 15.7520. So about $25 in commissions. I did take 20 contracts with the micros. And all the analysis always comes on SPY, but I like to use the futures contracts to avoid any decay. I did take options this week as well, which I'll explain to you in a second. But let's get right into this. All right. So the goal is in the first 15 minutes of the day, guys, I really need to determine a direction. So just looking at these first 3 candles here, guys, you don't 100% really see a direction. So I'm going to wait for another candle. Boom. So now I can clearly see, guys, a push to the downside. So you can see my fill is at 1039, covered at 119. All right, so let's go ahead now. Let's hop into the Discord, and I'll walk you through the Fibonacci bot and how we go through everything step by step. Okay, so this is Monday. Okay, so as you can see, we're over here currently. There's a few more candles to play out, but I just want to show you fill short, target hit. Okay, and all the targets are laid out step by step. I'm also doing voice notes. One solid trade on the Monday. So let's go ahead and continue. Check out TW Dairy, guys, for the broker statements if you're looking for that. And let's get right back. Okay, so here we go, guys. We have our push down. So what we're doing here now, just take our Fibonacci from high to low like this. Okay. And I'm just going to go ahead here and I'm going to put the basic setting on. So we're trying to get filled on the 618 right here, guys. Okay. So as you can see, nothing on the 618 yet. Just move your anchor lower. Okay. And then we want the pullback. If we don't get the pullback, we're not taking the trade. There's the pullback right here, guys. Okay. So on SPY, we actually tagged the 618 at 1020. But you'll see on futures, I didn't get filled on 1030 until 1039. And that's because it did not touch a 618 on the futures until 1039, which was right here. Okay. So there's our 618 fill. And what the goal is we're saying this direction to the downside, we're going to pull back here and then we're going to continue. Okay. So that's what we're trying to do with the 618 is we look to the left and we say, who's in control of the market right now? Well, the bears push the market down. We get filled 1039, 20 micro contracts, and then bang, 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 bang. We even had a triple retest, guys. And you could see how the 618 level is really acting like that wall. And that's what I want to see when I'm taking these trades. And then finally, guys, on the 4th attempt, we finally get that breakdown. So covering right around 119, which is right over here, guys, and $1575.20. So for me, that's about a 4 times risk to reward. So I'm risking 400 on average. I'm trying to make 1600, but after commissions and all that jazz, I'm left with 1575.20. Still good. I'm still happy with that, guys. And Monday was an absolute killer. All right, so let's move on now. Okay. Don't really want this video to be too long, but I have so much to talk about. So let's just try to fast forward a little bit here. So going into Tuesday, guys, the initial direction of the day, as you can see, wasn't clear until around 10:15. We had a clear breakout to the upside. So all day long, I was trying to get the dip, and you could see I did not touch the 618. So that can happen as well. All right. You can have those trend days that don't touch the 618. What do I do in that case? In that case, I have swing trades going, and I'm going to walk you through that strategy right now. Okay, so let's go ahead here, and I'll show you the swing strategy. Okay, so this is the ES futures contract. So you can see in this week here, I took 2 contracts, 1449 at the time. I locked in about 1300 because I got trailed out on this trade. And I also took calls. So let me walk you through that. So when I'm not getting pullbacks on the 5-minute chart or the 3-minute chart, I'm looking here on the hourly chart for the setups. Okay, so let's go ahead here and let's draw this up together. So this was the Sunday futures open. And as you can see, we rallied in Tuesday here, guys, and we had this overnight push. So what I like to do in that situation is I call this the Trading Wars drag. So what we're doing here, guys, is we're going low to high, okay, pull back, extension, and then we're going to take the 618. So this is an advanced pattern. So some of you might not understand it, but it's still a 618 pullback like this right here, guys, okay? And that's what I'm taking there. On SPY itself, if we actually change views and we go to the hourly, what you'll see is that same pullback. So let me just delete everything right here and I'll show you. Okay. And then, so right here, guys, on SPY, this is the same pullback right here that I just drew on futures. So right there. So what I did here, guys, is I loaded up twice. I took the futures and I took the options as well. So you could see right down here, guys, with both of them on the chart. I think I deleted the P&L. Let's bring it back. Right here, guys, okay? So I'm going to walk you through that as well. So whenever you feel like you're at a point on the chart, on the 5-minute, 3-minute, you don't have anything to trade, zoom out, go to the hourly, look for the swings, okay? And I like to hit the swings with options. Just going to show you guys that real quick. In the Dragon SPY Lotto section, this is where I put the option plays. So I did take puts on Friday. I lost on those, but the calls played out really well. So right here, you guys, you can see in 436 calls, expiry next Friday. So this was back, I think on Wednesday right here. So it's the same setup right here, guys. And then taking that in, you could see really, really nice gains into the close of this week. So 352 to 590. It actually went to 640, and I'm still holding those until next Friday. So the Dragon SPY Lottos is where you'll see the options section. Okay. All right, so let's continue. So now I'm going to fast forward on to Thursday. Same thing happened on Wednesday here, guys. I was looking for the pullback, looking for the pullback. Okay, no pullback, no pullback, no pullback. Finally, the pullback came later in the day, but I don't like to take those day trades into the close since I don't have enough time. So I came back on Thursday and got a beauty here. So let's look at this one together. So 1591 here, 19 contracts this time, shorted at 10 o'clock and got out at 10:31. So let's go ahead and do this one together. All right. So same thing here. We're going to hit the replay. Boom. All right. So first 3 candles, clear direction to the downside. Go ahead here, take our Fibonacci from high to low, looking for the 618 pullback. Boom, boom, doesn't pull back, just move your anchor down. Always, always, always get that pullback. You see some days I don't get it, but that's okay with me because I'm trying to maximize my profit. I don't care if I don't get a fill unless it's in my parameters because that's how I can make 4 times my money. Okay, so here you go. You guys see right here at 10 o'clock, there's that fill for the short side. Let's walk into the Discord for the 9th so I can just show you guys these live callouts right here. Yeah. So here is the 9th, my friends. And we do these recaps every single day. And if you're really serious about checking out fibs and learning fibs, I mean, this is literally, we're writing books every single day, guys. So come check us out. All right, so here we go. This was the Thursday. And you can see right here, 10 o'clock, filled short, target hit, target hit. I want to point something out about this trade, which is crazy, okay? So watch when we get filled here at 10. So boom, okay? So if you're a scalper, you get those on the options, 0 DTE, whatever DTE you want. That move right there in 10 minutes, guys, that can give you 40, 50% on your puts. So think about how you want to play the game. For me, I like to balance it, swing and day trading. But my scalpers, you can hit it hard, guys. All right? So that one was really, really nice winner right there, like I said. And then finally on Friday, guys, I did get chopped out. I took 2 fib trades. I lost 400 on this one right here, 10. You can see when you get stopped out, guys, it's pretty quick. And then I took another one where I lost another 400. But all in all, 1,600 on one day, 1,600 on another day, $3,200, losing $800, not a big deal. So this for me is losing 400 is my unit. So if I lose 400 twice, I'm losing 2 units. But when I'm hitting it four units at a time. So 8 units winners minus 2 unit losers, 6 unit winner. Your unit could be whatever you want, depending on the size of your account. It could be $100, it could be $10,000, it could be $100,000. It doesn't matter because the setup is the same. We're always looking for the pullback, okay? And I really wanted to shout out the swing trading, which was really on point. So got that earlier swing in the week. This one I missed, okay? So a little bit sad that I missed this one right here. This one came in on Thursday, and you can see, guys, this was pretty much overnight, and that's why I didn't get it. I should have been a little bit more attentive on it, but at the same time, I still had calls that I took earlier in the week. So, not the end of the world because I still had some long calls. But there was the last 618, and then there was the loser for the swing was this one right here for the short. You could see it broke right through, but 2 for 3 on those, can't complain. All right, and then lastly, I have MNQ for the small account, which I'm just writing. Right now I'm up about 1,700 on that. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this. I gave you the day trading review. We looked at the swings, options. I hit those calls on SPY. I really, really want to highlight this Dragon SPY Lotto section. If you guys want to trade options, I'm looking for only cheap options with the pullbacks. Nothing else, guys. No chasing. I'm doing a lifetime Fib giveaway. Comment Fibonacci below for a lifetime access to the Discord. Comment Fibonacci. I want to see your comments. Okay. And because we made some good money, I always tell you guys, when I hit it hard, I'm going to give back. So this is how I'm giving back. Email me right now, rich@tradingwars.com for my Fibonacci Society, where we have the lottos and we have the swings. This book, The Power of the 618 Fibonacci, is my newest book. It goes through all of my trades here over a period of 46 trades, 22 winners, 24 losers, $16,000 in profit, only with a 48% win rate, because that's the power of Fibs. So it says right here that it comes with lifetime access. Yes, it will. And instead of 1 month here, guys, I'm going to keep it at 1 month for this book, but I'm going to double it on the other book. But the big deal that I'm going to do, instead of $149.99, email me right now, rich@tradingwars.com. I'll drop it 20%. So it'll be $119.99. Okay. Or guys, if you just want the basics here, check out my other Fib book right here, guys. Let me just pull it up right here. Fibonacci and Options Mastery. This is my original Fib book. This is the basics. Instead of 1 month, you get 2 months. It's $100 a month. Sorry, $100 for the book, and it'll come with 2 months for free. Or you can sign up right here for the monthly. It's $49.99 if you're interested. All right. Otherwise than that, guys, I have a really hot seminar coming up. Let me show you guys the details. So November 19th, which is next Sunday, I'm doing a seminar from 1 to 2 p.m. It'll be free for anyone in the Discord or anyone that's a Trading Wars Army member. So you're watching this video right now. If you click the join button below, it's $4.99 to join the Trading Wars Army. And you can see Army members get exclusive content every single day. Plus, you'll get the seminar for free. What's the seminar all about? Well, here it is, guys. You're tracking every single trade here in the Discord, all the way up till November. I go in the broker, I show you how to put the orders in, and we're going to do it all live on Zoom. Okay, so check us out. Tradingwars.com. Like I said, join the army if you want the access. I'll be posting the seminar link probably midweek. All right, guys, and check us out. All right, I really appreciate your time. I'm sorry this video was long, but I had to talk about the swing and the day trade. A lot going on. When you want to make money, guys, you gotta take setups, and not gonna win every setup, but when we hit the fibs, like I'm showing you, 4 to 1. All right, 4 to 1, guys. I could lose the rest of the week and still be profitable as long as I play the game the right way. And that's why I love Fibonacci. And I'm not chasing win rates, guys, because it doesn't matter if I win 100 times with $1 a winner, and then on the 101st trade I lose $100. Then what was the point of all of that? And that's what most people preach. My style is completely different, guys. We go for home runs. We go for pullbacks. Okay, thanks so much for your time, guys. Check me out, tradingwars.com. And I will put the link in the description below for the 20% off. Take care.